Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am unboxing K by Dolce & Gabbana. But first, if you are new here, I am doing scent and I do fragrance unboxing, reviews, and basically just talk about fragrance. So if you like this type of content, please go ahead, like the video, subscribe, click the notification icon for further videos. Here's the box. We have a dark blue box with gold edges around the sides. We have the crown, Dolce & Gabbana. Under the bottom we have barcode, serial number, reference number. Nothing on the sides. The top you have DNG stamped. This is the 100 ml. Standard size also come in the 50 ml. So I'm going to remove the cellophane. Okay. Alright guys, this is what you're here for. Time to pull the fragrance and take it out of the box. Bear with me here. Wow, what a beautiful crown. Wow, it does look so royal. Okay. Alright, so as you can see, this bottle look very simple. The juice is light blue, look very aquatic, and you have the cap, which is a crown, as you can see, and the crown is made out of plastic. Alright guys, so before I spray this thing though, I'm going to read you the notes. The opening note of the composition include sparkling blood orange, pressed Chilean lemon, and juniper berry. The art reveal the pimento essence combined with clary sage, geranium, and lavender. With the base is woody and masculine, combining the cedarwood, vetiver, and patchouli accords. Okay guys, so now I'm going to spray the fragrance. Are you ready for this? Nice and smooth. Alright, so let it just sit there for a little while. Okay guys, so I must say that this fragrance is very citrusy, very fruity. The blood orange in the opening is simply amazing. It is also clean and fresh, very earthy and masculine. This fragrance is something I will definitely wear to work or any casual settings, and it's very ideal for spring and summer. If you're liking this video so far, please to give it a like and subscribe. And if you made it this far, I just want to say you're amazing. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.